Okay, the streets are wet and it's drizzling out. Can't seem to get away from this wet weather. It was very hot in my room, so I didn't even put a t-shirt on, but I have it with me. And there she is.
Intensa, que se casó 3 veces con el mismo hombre, un hombre que no siempre se portó bien.
Yeah. I brought my poncho, but I don't want to get too hot, so I've got it kind of dangling right here. So we're hitting the road a little early today. I think it's 7:10, 7:15. We'll see you on the road. Yeah. Yeah. We're just hitting the trail, and it's 61 degrees. It's which is warm, and we have the sun coming up behind us, and we have 21 long kilometers ahead of us, and all the distances that I have between the cities have all been more than I calculated, because I used Google Maps, and Google Maps isn't necessarily walking along the Camino de Santiago, so it's a bit of a drag, but it's more exercise. When we left the city, it was raining a little bit, so Francine put on a poncho, and now out here it's dry, and it's perfect weather to walk in. When you're taking off on the Camino, sunrise is always behind you because you're walking west. And so sunrise is always behind you. And sometimes if these guys ahead of me hadn't stopped to turn around to film that sunrise, I would have missed it.
Okay, Robin, she tried to remove the bottom of the pants. She's good now. She's better than the beginning. Now, need to remove the shoes.
Yeah.
One part of the pants. Ooh. It's done.
Grazie.
Now she's ready to walk.
Yeah. We just had a gaggle of pilgrims cross our path. It's the town of Greno, and this nice mural tells us that we have 564 miles to go to Santiago. We're 51 kilometers away from Logroño. I liked Logroño. Oh, look at there, Rome. Hey, Roma is quite far away. Buenos días. Zumo de naranja. Piccolo. Okay, tortilla.
No me queda.
E basta così. Take care. Redecia de Camino, and come across this little pharmacy vending machine. What do you see? What we got here? We got some Compeed, some cream, solar cream. Is that physio cream? That's probably like Bengay. Oh, you can even get a knee brace in the vending machine. Insect repellent, deodorant. It's cool, right? Prices are on the side of the house, maybe a water meter or something, because here's the post box. But then the next house here has a real nice one. I can almost see inside it. Yeah, cool, right? You know what it probably is? Just it's hiding these meters here. We're in the next town. We're done about 12 kilometers already. So we're really only halfway done today. Let's see if we can get a cafe con leche, because we could use a break, yeah? Stopped in this little town. I have no idea what it's called. But Santiago is 554 kilometers from here. And yeah, we have 10 more kilometers. We're gonna be pooped today. So it's okay. I'm just fine. Love them, very comfortable. The vending machine looks like in Spain. Okay. Hola. We did have a scare here. Francine thought she'd left this hat in Grignon at the water fountain. And she's been cursing herself for the last 5 kilometers, and we found it. It was in the deep down bottom of this, so she's happy.
Yeah, she's happy.
This is like the 3rd or 4th town that we stopped in today, or ran through, and it's a pretty name. Belorado de Rioja. Very nice. They have turned the wrong way because of that sign there, but my app says go this way, and so do these arrows. Those poor pilgrims have gone astray. Or maybe they're going to their albergue. Cute. This is where I'm staying tonight, but
They didn't have a room for me when
no.
I out.
Francine couldn't get in that one. Hi, Janice. Oh, hi, Nadine. What's everybody doing? Well, Miriam over there lost her contact lens. No, we have another 5 kilometers to go. We stopped and we got a beer, which might have been a mistake because we still have 5 kilometers to go, but it was a nice stop. And we just have 5 more kilometers and we're there. Yeah. Not sure where we are, but it's the last small town before our main destination, Belorado.
Well, I think
We have 5 kilometers to go. There's poor Gumby dragging her walking stick. And she looks like she's just going to fall right over. We're dog tired and the sun's beating down on us. We have 2 more kilometers to go and we're just beat. We've done 21 kilometers already, and We want our shower and our bed, don't we? Damn. We've been walking along this same highway for about, oh God, 5 kilometers, maybe. God, it feels like forever. But we're here in Belorado finally.
Yeah.
We're gonna cross.
But we not probably there. The place is closed online.
Been walking 7 hours, and we're just now entering a little town here. Here we are. You know, my shoulder's a little sore. That's all. I don't have any blisters or anything like that. Okay.
Which one I'm going? Is this? No.
No, let's keep going down
This one.
the main street here.
What's your name? Is Alberti? Hotel Pontobi?
Wait,
This one.
this way?
Yeah.
Good.
Minute.
Francine said I'm down here somewhere. Mine. So that's my albergue, and hers is where that little man is, right there. There's my van right there. Hola.
Hola.
Bello.